I'm looking at a very, very beautiful sunset. Oh wow, what a beautiful day to be alive, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful day to be alive. Today is Sunday. This is day 1 in Uganda, and this is my outfit. I want to accessorize. Yeah, this is my jewelry box. See how cute it is. How cute is this though? How cute. Look at her. She's so pretty. This is compartment number 1, and then comes with that, and then this place also. Alafu kuna hii ya tatu. There's that as well. Put your earrings down there. So cute. I'm gonna do easy. And here. Nakuja. And that's what we have on. And I'm gonna wear her because she is pretty and I love her. There we go. Oh, the sunset is pretty. Halafu nivae jua. It's really hot out here. And there we go. Let's go for a walk as we watch the sunset. Say hi to my YouTube audience.
Hi, VP people.
Oh my God!
Okay, guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you.
It's alive. It's alive.
Okay, guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you. Okay, guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we
Now that
missed you.
TikTok has done what?
Okay,
Oh,
guys,
tufanye hiyo ingine hapo. Nilikuwa nakuita tufanye na wewe na wewe umekaa huko.
Oh, tufanye hii ya baba.
guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you.
Aya.
Nasikia vizuri. Unasikia vizuri? What are the words?
Okay, guys, we're back.
Did you
Did
miss
you
us?
miss us? Because we definitely missed you. Aya. So inafaa ningeweka time mama.
Shanza.
Aina sauti Jesus. Wow. We hapa juu. Tuweke time sasa.
Okay, guys, we're
Aya.
back. Did you...
Okay, guys, we are back.
Did you miss us? Because we missed you.
Because we missed you.
Okay, guys, we are back.
Guys, we're back. Did you miss us?
Mbona tuko mbali sasa ni save tu.
Sorry, it
Kwa sasa,
Acha ni save.
save katika draft.
Na hii yenyewe ilikuwa ti we look cute.
I don't really have anything to say. I just look cute.
I just look cute and that's it, boo.
I don't really have anything to say. I just look cute and wanted y'all to see it, so here I am. Okay.
Record.
Nataka anacheka yoyote.
Say I just look cute and wanted y'all to see it, so here I am.
Mwana baba. Go now.
So day 1 in Uganda, we're taking a walk.
Uganda is beautiful. Uganda is really pretty. I have to give it to her. I have to give it to her. She's pretty. Uganda is pretty. She's a beautiful baby. Peaceful. There's no rush. That's one thing I've noted. Hakuna hiyo rush kama ya Nairobi. You know how everything is so fast and stuff? It doesn't feel like that. It feels way peaceful. I don't know if it's this area in specific or it's just the Uganda vibe, but this place feels, there's something about it. It's peaceful, it's quiet. Yeah. Shika unichukue nikitembea.
Hi, how are you? You okay?
I just want to take a picture. They have more.
It's a beautiful name. For what?
Watuchukulie kamera. I'm scared for my life.
Me too.
I don't regret this. We go this way.
Oh, kwani sisi big mall, man. Oh, Christmas vibes.
Buy things to look for ourselves. 28,000 mtwalo.
Kuna bei kweli inatatanisha. Bei ya kutatanisha. Mimi sipendi venye ni thousands mingi. Drinks ziko huku. Mkwaju. Here you go.
So we're going to see how much we can get food, and we are getting gizzard, so that is mtwalo 10,000.
Weka hiyo mtwalo 10.
Mbili. Mtwalo.
Mtwalo mbili. Yeah, I know.
10,000. So
Mzazi kulia tu hapa.
wale tunafanyia kukula hapa.
We give 50.
We just give them 50. And then we get food
Change.
plus drinks.
Na huku kuna karatasi ya plastic bado.
Oh, chips masala is 10.
Masala is nice.
There is masala.
One ndio 10. Isha. Baki 10. Yeah.
There is no drink.
It's 10 for each. 10 kila moja ni 10. Oh, sawa. Haya. There's kitu ya kuangalia kama pesa ni fake. Nice. So we've spent 40,000. From Tualos. Here's all the food we have. It says Girls' night every Sunday. Queen dancers and karaoke. Hakuna madem? Hebu tuone. Nani anaimba sasa?
From what PM? Mama tunasema
The day you wanna pick up the phone and share your thoughts for everything I need and more. There's karaoke night today, tonight.
At what time?
At what time? 10.
10.
Na sasa ni saa ngapi?
7.
7.
Soda is how much? 2K.
Give us 2 sodas.
Cold for me. Which one do you
Black currant or any two. Pole pole. Oh yeah, ina sense motion. Hiyo light. It has refused. Oh my lord, sina huo uwezo kweli. Sina uwezo mie. Leta nifungue. Nakata kuingia. Shika hii. Ta-da!
Perfect. We are back.
Food and lots of food.
Lakini sidhani kama watatuibia. Wanaweza tuibia viatu kweli.
Sasa mbona waibe viatu? Mbona hii imefunguliwa ndani? Imefungwa.
Ore. Yaona nusu. Kiasi tu hivyo. Nimefanya ndani ingine. Bado si baridi. Inaweza fanya sasa. Inakaa kama nani? Kama inaitwa mallet. Inaitwa mallet. Mallet ushere. Video ya Uganda hiyo. Ninakwambia. Hey, mama. I swear haiwezekani. Penye yako hata Mungu tusijue afanyie nini kweli. Unajua alituwest tulitoka nyumbani na nimeongea na yeye hiyo asubuhi mpaka ananiambia mnatoka saa ngapi? Na mwambia by saa 3 tutakuwa hapo. Amefanya tumeamka mapema, tumeita kwa cameraman. Hey. Alafu ana text akikosh. Ati imagine your client. Hiyo siku wapi niteseka wewe?